Jazz guitar is a genre that has captivated music lovers for decades, with its unique blend of improvisation, complex harmonies, and soulful melodies. From the early days of Django Reinhardt to the modern stylings of Pat Metheny, jazz guitar has evolved and transformed in fascinating ways. In this article, we will explore the journey of jazz guitar through time, examining the key players and innovations that have shaped its development. The early pioneers, Django Reinhardt and Charlie Christian. In the 1930s and 1940s, two names emerged as pioneers in jazz guitar, Django Reinhardt and Charlie Christian. Reinhardt's gypsy jazz style brought a new level of virtuosity to the instrument, showcasing lightning-fast runs and intricate chord voicings. His collaboration with violinist Stéphane Grappelli in the Quintet du Hot Club de France set a high standard for jazz guitarists worldwide. Charlie Christian took a different approach by incorporating elements of swing into his playing. As part of Benny Goodman's band, Christian showcased his innovative use of single-note lines and melodic improvisation on electric guitar. His contributions laid down the foundation for future generations. Bbop Revolution, Wes Montgomery. The advent of bebop in the 1940s brought about significant changes in jazz music as a whole. Guitarists like Wes Montgomery embraced this new style by applying their own unique interpretations to it. Montgomery's smooth tone combined with his impeccable technique made him one of the most influential figures in jazz guitar history. He introduced an innovative approach known as thumb picking, where he used his thumb instead of a pick to play single-note lines while simultaneously comping chords, an impressive feat that added depth to his sound. Fusion era, John McLaughlin. As we move into the 1960s and 1970s, jazz guitar took a bold turn with the emergence of fusion. This genre blended elements of jazz, rock, and funk, pushing boundaries and exploring new sonic territories. John McLaughlin became a prominent figure in this era with his band Mahavishnu Orchestra. His lightning-fast playing combined intricate scales and complex harmonies with elements of Indian classical music. McLaughlin's virtuosic command over the instrument showcased a new level of technicality that inspired generations to come. Contemporary innovations, Pat Metheny. In recent decades, jazz guitar has continued to evolve through the contributions of contemporary players like Pat Metheny. With his unique blend of jazz, folk, and world music influences, Metheny has carved out his own distinctive sound. Metheny's use of innovative technology such as synthesizers and guitar synthesizers expanded the possibilities for jazz guitarists. He also incorporated unconventional instruments like the 12-string guitar into his compositions, creating a rich tapestry of sounds that transcended traditional boundaries. The future ahead. As we look towards the future of jazz guitar, it is clear that innovation will continue to shape its trajectory. Emerging artists are constantly pushing boundaries by incorporating diverse musical influences and experimenting with new techniques. The accessibility provided by online platforms has also opened up opportunities for aspiring musicians to learn from their idols through tutorials and virtual collaborations. This interconnectedness allows for cross-pollination between different styles and genres, further expanding the horizons of jazz guitar. In conclusion, jazz guitar has undergone remarkable transformations throughout history, from Django Reinhardt's gypsy swing to Pat Metheny's fusion experiments. Each generation brought its unique perspective on improvisation techniques, chord voicings, tone production methods, ultimately shaping what we know as modern-day jazz guitar. By delving into these transformative moments in history, from Reinhardt to Christian, Montgomery to McLaughlin, and finally, Metheny, we gain a deeper understanding of the genre's evolution. As jazz guitar continues to evolve, it is crucial for both musicians and enthusiasts alike to appreciate its rich history while embracing new possibilities. Whether you are a seasoned player looking for inspiration or simply a fan of this captivating genre, exploring the journey of jazz guitar through time provides valuable insights into its development and offers an avenue for personal growth as a musician. So pick up your guitar, immerse yourself in the world of jazz, and let the transformative power of this incredible instrument take you on an unforgettable musical journey.